Hey, I'm Fish. I went out and I shot some video and I did a dash cam simply overheated on me. I gotta still go out do some night shots with it, reset it back up. But here I am, I switched off of Super Night and I'm on video mode 4K 60 frames per second with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So we're going to be checking on out a number of things to the channel and hope it helps you out. Last time I forgot my helmet. This time I forgot my smartphone. It's not a smartphone if it's not with me. What a dumb cell phone it is. I should stop now, but I'm going to stop a little later. I'm going to pull right on over to the side as soon as I find a spot. We go up the wrong way. Well, let me come on over here, away from the kids. Put it on down right over here. All right. You see that? Right there. Look at that. Maybe on an angle. This looseness, what's this all about? Let me get off the bike. Lift up my wheel. I got play. I never tighten this. This is loose as a goose. Look how loose that is. Back off of it once. Spin it. A little more. Just a little more. Lock it in until I get it right. Don't want to kill myself doing it. There I go. That's on it. Now let's give it a shot and see if that's loose. There's still some play. Not a lot. And that thing there, oh man, the fish could have been popping a whaley. Been a long time since I checked that. Glad I rechecked it. Let me check my back. See if my back is any worse than it is. Back is tight. I could get on going. I just find that amazing that I never knew that was loose as a goose. I'm gonna pull over to the side and give a little talk. I think I liked it when it was loose because I was able to hold the road and do my leveling hand things. But man, that play, something else. Maybe I need to get some air in the tires. I'm not going slow, going a comfortable speed. But let's get to the highlight of the talk. And that's by the good old willow tree. I think we'll continue along past the willow tree. Let's get up to Mr. Squirrel. It's a beautiful day. I didn't really need this heavy jacket on. Gorgeous out. And I tell you, I did my research and can't go any further than what I've done. Congratulations, Fish. We'll see you in the next couple of weeks, the camera in hand. DJI Osmo Action 6 to the Fish's channel. And we'll probably see within a day or two, give or take, a DJI Osmo Action 6 macro lens. And I found it for the lowest price around on the market that everybody else can do the same. At the time, it was given because of the holidays. And yeah, $15 off of anything above $90 spent. And I'm most sure there'd be a tariff on it. And I had some funds laid out over here, and these funds that are my personal, joined them together for me, came out to under $100. And I'm happy. And so the camera cost me $525 the most, still less than a GoPro, if asked back then. I think the DJI Osmo Action 6 is going to be a keeper for me. It's going to be my review camera, and I'm going to do shots inside with it. And when I need to get close up to things, that's where the lens comes into play. I don't have to keep on the original lens. I think I'll be doing pretty good. I like action cameras for a number of reasons. I like the front screen. I can see myself talking. Right now I can't see, the sun's in my eyes and there. And it's got a nice big thumbprint in the front and a nice screen in the back. But I hardly ever use the front screen as a touch screen. I should. I don't. I have to get used to it. And that's what I need to do. Now I saw a lot of mixed replies, emotions, ups and downs, the goods and the bads. I'm not going to let that get to me. I'm not going to let it get to you. It's your choice, and that's what we have to make. I talked enough about it. Beautiful day in vlogging. Went out for a car ride, overheated with a dash cam at 50 degrees behind the windshield, and I still got to get out to do an evening night shot or early morning shot. And I don't think it's got the Starvis chip in there. I'm not sure if it's got a quail cam chip, but I don't love this particular dash cam because you have to shut down the dash cam to get the application to turn on, and then the actual unit will work. And the speed of your car and the dash cam GPS, mixture. 45 in the 30 miles I was doing, up and down a jump, but did a job, did its job, did a good job. Well, I am going to get on out of here. I'm going to get on biking. I'm going to get down to the water's edge, take a look, get on going. You want to come with me? Come on. Let me do one of these things. Pick you up, baby. Turn you around nice and slow. And use you as a bike cam. Oh yeah, man. I wish I had a bike cam. This is a bike cam, fish. You can use it for anything you want to do. Oh man, I love to see that new star thing. So this way the sun looks like a star and doesn't look blotchy as a blurred spot. Hang on as we turn. Woohoo! Oh, let me adjust you down. I'm not looking at skyscrapers today. Well, let's get on going. Do a little time lapse. Well, I made it down towards the water's edge. It's low tide. I didn't get the RC boat out, the Challenger into the water, the DRC boat. I normally get it out here in the fall time or the springtime. A little problematic, and it is what it is, man. Fun times, those were the fun days for sure. Let's get on out of here, get on going. I'm not gonna meet up with Joe today, but I'm gonna meet up with Joe tomorrow. I do got some bizwax to handle and take care of and get on going. Maybe, we'll get things rolling. So on that note, I am Fish, and I'll see you on the next enjoyable vlog. Don't forget to rate, comment, show some love. I didn't hit the reel. I stopped and switched over to video. Well, enjoyed the tunes I shared on YouTube to you. It's not easy to pick a good one out, but what is for free? It's too bad that the next time I'm going to do a nice walk and talk, it'd be a nice long walk and talk by a different place of water. I may not have the camera and the gear, but at least I have something to shoot with. An Action 5 Pro, Action 4, Action 3, Insta360H Pro 2, a GoPro Hero 10, an Insta360 X5, an X2, or any camera that we got. I think the next time if I do a live stream, I think I'm gonna do a sailing fan review. Do it live for the people. And on that note, it's time for me to get on out of here.